Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Hooray Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Hey, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the movement. Welcome back to the We're Back in the Kitchen Freestyle. But before we go any further, guys, remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't subscribed us yet, go ahead and hit the subscription button and join the movement. You know what I mean? Now, today, guys, it's all about some barbecue fried chicken with some rice and peas. And just stick and stay while we just chef up the kitchen freestyle. Yeah, freestyle. So right here I have is the recipe for the barbecue fried chicken. Right here I have a whole chicken, I have an onion, scallion, scotch bonnet pepper, I have garlic, thyme, sweet pepper, and the spices I'll be using are all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, paprika, black pepper, and I have some pimento berries. I will now go ahead and start the preparation for my barbecue fried chicken, so stay tuned. So freestyle, I will now go ahead and start the preparation of my chicken. First, you want to get the skin off the chicken. Get the skin off. Then you're going to cut your chicken. Get rid of the skin and the fat. We don't need the skin and the fat on it, so we're going to get them off. Then I'm going to cut my chicken, not too big, not too small. Right here I have a leg right here, as you can see. I want to make sure you clean up a chicken the right way, freestyle. Get rid of the skin and the fat, as I said before. That's what this size is good. This size is alright. So freestyle, here you have it. After getting my chicken clean, washed and prepped, it's now time to start the preparation of my natural seasoning that I'll be using for my fried chicken. I'm now going to go ahead freestyle and chop some scallion. I'm going to make sure you wash them first. Chop my scallion, then I'm going to get some onion chopped. So freestyle, right here I have my season prep, my natural season prepped. I will now go ahead and add my spices. Right here I'm using some all-purpose season. And I will use half teaspoon of all-purpose season, sprinkle it all over. Same. Right here I have some chicken season. I will use half teaspoon of chicken season as well. Sprinkle it all over. And I'm going to also use half teaspoon of paprika. Go ahead and sprinkle it all over. You need the paprika to get that nice color of the chicken. I'm going to go ahead and add a small amount of black pepper. Right here I have some allspice, all-purpose season. I will go ahead and add half teaspoon of allspice, all-purpose season as well. Then after freestyle, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to massage the spices in. me give you a close up on it. You want to make sure every piece of the chicken is well seasoned and properly seasoned. So right here, guys, I had my spices. I will now go ahead and add my natural season, which is my onions, cayenne, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, sweet pepper, a piece of garlic, and a tomato. I will now go ahead, guys, and rub everything together. And freestyle, as you know, guys, the most important part of cooking is the preparation. Right, you want to make sure your chicken or your meat, whatever you're cooking, is well seasoned, so you could get that flavor at the end of your cooking. So right here you have it, freestyle. Your chicken is now fully seasoned. I'm now going to put it to marinate. Then it's time to start the cooking process. There you go. Freestyle, I almost forget my favorite spice of all spices, which is my pimento berries. I will go ahead and add my pimento. So freestyle, just stay tuned, soon come back. So freestyle, after seasoning my chicken from overnight, so you already know, guys, the chicken is well soaked, well marinated. It's now time for me to start the frying of my chicken. Here, freestyle, so go with my barbecue fried chicken. I will stick to the tradition and cook some rice and peas. So right here is the recipe for my rice and peas. I have 2 tins of coconut. I have 3 cans of bungo peas, cayenne thyme, a scotch bonnet pepper, a little all-purpose seasoning, and a little bit of salt. So I will now go ahead and start the preparation for my rice and peas. And freestyle, as you can see, guys, I'm using the dry bungo peas. Pop open the tin. I'm using 3 cans, guys. After having your bungo peas, you want to add your coconut milk. I'm using 2 cans of coconut milk. After adding my coconut milk, guys, I will add my seasoning, which is cayenne, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper. I will also go ahead and add a tablespoon of salt. After adding my salt, I will go ahead and add just a small amount of all-purpose seasoning. After the all-purpose seasoning, freestyle, I will go ahead and add half teaspoon of sugar. Now my peas is now fully seasoned. Now I'm going to put it on the stove to cook. Then I will add the rice. Stay tuned. As you can see, freestyle, my chicken is coming along nice and lovely. Right here is the pot with my peas, my scallion thyme, my scotch bonnet pepper, and my coconut milk for the rice and peas. So my seasoning is now cooked. I will now go ahead and add the rice. Adding the rice to the pot. After you have the rice freestyle, you want to stir. Then I'm going to turn the stove down to mid. I'm going to allow it to slowly cook. Your freestyle, so my chicken is now completely fried. It's now time to start the barbecue process, so just stay tuned for that. Freestyle is now time. Now time to go ahead, guys, and make the barbecue sauce. Right here in the pot I have a small amount of water. Then I will go ahead and add my barbecue sauce. And this is the barbecue sauce I'll be using. Add my barbecue sauce. After adding my barbecue sauce freestyle, I go ahead and add some ketchup. After adding my ketchup, I will go ahead and add a teaspoon of ginger. Teaspoon of ginger, and this is the ginger I'm using, guys. And I'm going to stir everything together. Going to stir. Freestyle, I will also go ahead and add half teaspoon of vinegar. Half teaspoon of vinegar. I'm going to stir. There you have it, freestyle, nice coloring. Now freestyle, my barbecue sauce is now completed and my oven has been preheated at 180 degrees. I'm now going to dip my chicken in the barbecue sauce, then I will place it in the oven, so stay tuned. Freestyle, I will now go ahead and dip the chicken in the barbecue sauce. After dipping the chicken in the barbecue sauce, I will place it in this can right here. Dip the chicken properly. You put them in. Guys, it's looking so lovely, and I must tell you guys, the smells of it is just amazing. And as you can see, guys, my chicken is well done. I like when my chicken is well done. After you dip them in the sauce, you're gonna put them in this baking tin right here. And after I put them in the tin, guys, we're gonna put them in the oven. You want your barbecue sauce to base on your chicken. So you want to make sure you put it in the oven for a few minutes. Here we going now, freestyle. We're almost finished with this process. In. Now freestyle, here you have it. My chicken is now dipped in the barbecue sauce. I will now go ahead and place it in the oven. Stay tuned. So freestyle, my oven has been preheated. I will now go ahead and put the chicken inside of the oven for probably like about 5 minutes. Then it should be completed. Yes, freestyle, this is it. Right here is my barbecue fried chicken. And over here is my rice and gungo peas. And my salad to go with it. Looking nice and delicious, guys, as you can see for yourself. Give you a close up on my barbecue fried chicken. Here you go. And my rice and peas is right here. Guys, as always, guys, remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscription button and join the movement. Until next time, freestyle, thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.